in business analytics, we have courses, as you would think, if you are trying to prepare your students for an analytics job, what would be the relevant topics. So we have a topic, we have a course on managing big data. So this is about what is big data, how it is related to a company's needs, how is it managed, what are the strategies of managing big data. And then we have a course on fundamentals of business analytics, which is like an introduction about what analytics is, how it fits into a company's needs. And we have two other courses. One is called unstructured data analysis, other is called structured data analysis. Unstructured data is basically what we generate as part of being on Twitter, on Facebook, on multimedia, uploading, downloading. These are, the kinds of data sets which are not numbers and not relational, which cannot be handled by our traditional database management modeling techniques. So text-based data and pictures and audio, all of that is unstructured data. And today, 85% of the data that is being created is actually unstructured data. So you hear often about sentiment analysis and those kinds of tool sets which are used in solving a lot of business problems which in the older days were not possible. Things like looking at Twitters and looking at social media messages and trying to see if there is any threat that is coming about or some is being planned, or about competitive things happening about a product by just tracking consumers likes and dislikes and what they are saying. So that's the unstructured. And then you have an unstructured data analysis, which is basically the data as we know in rows and columns. How many customers for a company are if coming from which part of the world. If Amazon was to know about what are the most popular products that are being bought, all the information that you see when you are doing an online transaction and it starts showing you your previous purchases, all of that is your structured data analysis. So companies are using all of that data through mechanisms of using looking at the data that they have. So all of that the things you get in the mail from companies about the products you buy, keeping track of customers' likes and dislikes, all of that is structured data. But social media data is most of it is unstructured data. And then we have electives, just like the other concentration, we have electives for business analytics, which are on decision and risk analysis, data visualization and analytics. Increasingly, we are going to go towards more industry-focused analytics. So at some point, we would like to go into healthcare analytics and focus on that, or go into web analytics and focus on that. I mean, web analytics is very well known today. All Google apps and things like that. Google Web Analytics. So you'll be able to. As we grow the program, we want to get more closer to the industry's needs and understand what tracks or what concentrations would make more sense.